Hey everybody, 8Goats here, and this is the video to announce the winner for my giveaway for the Hello Kitty alarm clock. I had, let's see, I had 19 people enter. So there's everybody there. Okay, and I'm going to use random.org. So I had 1 out of 19. And we'll hit generate. And the number is, I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but the number is 15. Let's see. Yeah, it's not going to focus, but the number is 15. So, let's start from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11. Alrighty, and my winner is Sam Loves Nails. You are the winner of this giveaway. I already have your address, I believe, so just PM me and let me know that you've watched this video. And thank you to everybody who entered in this giveaway. And I hope y'all have a wonderful afternoon.